Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. In this video, we are exploring the timeless charm of rustic patio design. Rustic patios blend natural materials and earthy tones to create warm, inviting outdoor spaces perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Start by using natural materials like wood and stone. These elements form the foundation of a rustic patio, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. Wooden furniture, stone flooring, and reclaimed wood pieces create a cozy and authentic atmosphere. Comfort is key in rustic patio design. Incorporate wooden benches, Adirondack chairs, and wicker furniture with plush cushions and throw blankets. These seating options invite guests to linger and enjoy the space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. String lights, vintage lanterns, and fairy lights add a magical touch, perfect for evening gatherings. Soft lighting enhances the rustic charm and creates a warm, inviting glow. Add functional elements like a fire pit or a stone fireplace. These features provide warmth and a focal point for gatherings. Personalize your patio with unique decor items. Rough-hewn wooden tables, mismatched chairs, and vintage accessories add character and charm. Design cozy nooks with hammocks or swing chairs. These spots offer a serene escape within your rustic patio, perfect for reading or simply unwinding. Finally, bring all these elements together to create a cohesive and inviting outdoor space. The combination of natural materials, cozy seating, ambient lighting, and lush greenery will transform your patio into a charming rustic retreat. We hope these ideas inspire you to create your own rustic patio haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home and garden inspiration. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.